Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Kim. Today is 1st of December 2018. This is 10th episode about Windows API. In this episode, we will learn how to test if a process is running in the administrators group. We will be using allocate and initialize seed function. I explained how to use this function in my previous video in episode 9. By clicking this link, you can watch my previous video how to create a security descriptor. In the 9th session, I explained how to use allocate and initialize seed function. And we will also learn about check token membership function. By clicking this link, you can read more about check token membership function. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm using Visual Studio 2015. From File, New Project, solution name will be is process in administrator group solution, and the project name will be is process in administrators group. Click OK. Click finish. Include Windows, include IO stream, Pragma, comment, lib, adv, advanced, API 32, lib. For is process in admin group. For be admin group, let's set it false as default value, and we return be admin group. Then while this is step 1, make a seed for local administrators group like this. Allocate and initialize seed SID identifier authority, so we can make it here SID identifier authority administrators security NT authority. So we provide here authority administrators. Now we have to provide sub-authority count. We will use 2. Security built-in domain LID, domain alias LID admin. Now we have to provide 6 zeros, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then we have to provide a seed, pointer to seed. So we allocate here, we declare p seed administrators null. Then we have to pre here if p seed administrator, then pre seed administrators. Okay, then here p seed administrators. If this function fails, then we print out failed to retrieve seed for the administrators. Then we break. If we break, we will get to this point. Then here step 2. Before going to step 2, I will give link to this MSDN documentation. For more information about allocate and initialize seed, please refer to this link. You can get more information about how to use allocate and initialize seed function. Also, you can watch my previous video about how to use allocate and initialize seed function. Now in step 2, check seeds membership in the administrators group. Check token membership null p seed administrator p admin group. If this function fails, std cout failed to check seeds membership. std and break. At this point, don't forget we are in while block. Since we are in while block, we have to break here. Don't forget this. Then we created the function successfully. Now save it. We will call this function std cout std for alpha std cout is process running in the administrators group. std cout is process in administrators group. Okay, now Control F5 to build and run. It says false. Please note that my account currently belongs to administrators group, but the program reports false because this check token membership function returns false when my privilege is limited. I am using administrator's privilege, but my privilege is limited. Now close this Visual Studio, then restart, right click, Visual Studio, run administrator. Load our solution. Please note that my Visual Studio is running in administrator's privilege. Now Control F5. Now the result is true. So when I am using Visual Studio in administrator privilege, then this program works perfectly. This way we can test if our process is running in administrator's privilege. Before I close this session, I would like to remind you one thing. This way of programming is very dangerous in C++ programming practice because all these Windows APIs are developed C languages. When we develop our application in production level, we have to keep our code exception safe. In my next session, I will talk how to handle these resource leak possibilities. Don't fail to watch my next video how to make our code exception safe and not to leak resource handles. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.